Oh, there he is. We'll keep looking. There he is. He's sleeping.
His arms up.
Gregory, you see that at the bottom? That's his hand. His arm.
He's sleeping.
In here?
Oh, that's so Gregory. Of course he's going to have his hand in front of his face.
Aww.
Oh.
He's saying something. What's he saying?
Oh, let me out. Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh, look at
Oh,
this.
hi. Hi.
He's like, hi.
What's up, dude? See his little ear?
Gee.
He's like, Mom, why did you drink all that OJ?
Yeah.
Is it better with a full bladder?
Not at this stage. Not for Mom.
Nah.
No, I mean for
I have
images.
some clearer.
No, not at this point. They're so far when you're that far along. Only when you're early for like your first trimester.
Oh, hell. What was that, baby?
The eyes open there.
His eyes open?
Oh, a little bit.
Now
You can
it's
see
closed.
that.
And that blurry thing going across this, that's cord.
Oh, okay. Oh, is he holding it? Or is it just
Looks
kind of
like he does have it in his hand.
Sorry.
It's okay. Sometimes it'll make a move or turn towards it.
What are you doing, buddy? Oh, he's such a little person now. It's
It's a
so
little
cool.
weird. There's a little fist there.
Oh yeah, I can see the cord. It does look
Yeah.
like it's. Oh, how neat is that? Looks like he's got a mustache.
And if I blur it out,
That's all right. I don't mind it being in his face. I can see his eyes and his hands and stuff. Oh. Yeah, cool. I don't want to open his eyes. His eyes are closed now.
He looks like he's going to sleep.
You better wake up.
Wake them up, Meg.
I don't know what to do. Wake up, boy. Oh, sorry.
jiggle. I'm paused.
Jiggle.
Away.
Wake up, Billy. Wake up, buddy. Come on. Wake up, dude. He's like, leave me alone.
Oh, I told you.
Oh,
man.
Please just let me sleep.
I know.
He just had his eyes open real quick.
Can you tell how much he weighs right now?
No, we don't take measurements.
No.
To do all that.
Oh, he's got his hands up by like his head, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Meg, how big is he now?
The thing I read this morning says 27 weeks. He's about he's a little over 14 inches, and he's about 2 pounds.
He's a water mom. He's been
Probably flat rock.
splashing with
He
cleaning.
probably
He feels like a watermelon.
I thought last week he was as big as a cucumber.
Quickly, I guess.
I just had this little. There it is.
Yeah, I don't know where.
Oh, yeah.
The leg and then
Dad.
Glad to see that it's definitely a boy.
a lot of work for this.
Oh, yeah?
Never thought that that's Maryland.
His hand's not on it, is it?
See if I can get them braided.
I see his thing in 3D, baby.
Starting that stuff already? My goodness.
Well, you might not have wanted to bring your mother.
I'm going to tell secrets.
the leg, or the